Alright, so if you have a Model 3, well, sure, Model Y and Model 3 and the rest might be the same. So I was getting this right here. It would not let me charge it, unable to charge, service required. I tried to reset it multiple times, it just would not go away. And I've been trying to figure out what is the issue, and the guys that took it apart a little bit, they were trying to take off the charging piece when the car is getting painted, the charger port, but they never took it off, so they claim everything's plugged back in. And I tried to clear the computers and it just would not clear through the service mode plus, it would not clear through toolbox, and it's been a nightmare. So I'll show you what's going on. So what happened was they were trying to disconnect it and they plugged back in everything except this cover right here. So I don't know if you could tell, but this cover is not sitting right. So I believe that's the air. So I'm gonna fix it and we'll clear it and see what happens. Alright, so I ended up popping this back in, fully seating it. Before it was slightly out of place. It was literally, you see it as like millimeters. Everything else is plugged in. Just check all the wiring. And now I'm gonna check the computer, what it's gonna say. Alright, so I'm in the car. I'm gonna run the test. And it's possibly passed. Let's see what's going on here. It says charge port unavailable. Okay, passes it. But I'm not getting the air right here. I don't think it's going to be related to it. Okay, so I think it's good. That solved the issue. Just that little cover has popped out.